Where are you going? I'm going to the market. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Can I sit here? Yes, please. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you have a phone? Yes, I have one. Are you busy? A little bit. When will you come? I will come tomorrow. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Where is your bag? It's on the table. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. Are you hungry? Yes, a little. Do you like music? Of course I do. Where is the bathroom? It's on the left side. Can I call you later? Sure, no problem. What's your hobby? I like painting. Are you free today? Yes, in the evening.